For the longest time, I've been thinking about getting into a career that I can help people. What the most satisfying for me to working with a senior is that I feel like every day when I come into work, I'm doing something good for the society.
The profession is for individuals that are really interested in working with older adults. The primary goal is to really design and deliver therapeutic programs that enhance the quality of life for older adults.
It's designed to give graduates education and experience in specialized treatment delivery for seniors.
So courses that are included in this program are an introduction to gerontology and classes such as psychogeriatrics and Alzheimer's disease and related disorders. We also teach our students about assessment skills, and we have a management component, which includes human resources, ethics and professionalism, and governance for services of older adults.
When it comes to program planning, the assignment for program planning, you will then have the opportunity to take that program plan to your placement.
All through the program, they're learning to integrate all the theory that they're learning to actual delivery of a program to seniors in various settings.
So in the first year, you'll be spending your placement at a long-term care facility. And for the second year, you have the option to choose between retirement home or an adult day center.
We've had very positive experience with the George Brown students. That's why we're always very welcoming to have them come back every year.
I'm glad it looks like a fun job because I think it is a fun job, but what's behind all of that fun is a lot of learning. The program itself is extremely rigorous and I think academically quite challenging. And it's the job of bringing that all together which makes our graduates the best graduates out there.
The students from George Brown College are very caring. They're certainly wonderful in their attitude toward seniors. That's very important.
So why should you take this program and get into our field? Well, the answer is pretty simple. There is an increased number of older adults in Canada, and the demand for people with a knowledge and skill set specific to the later years of life is increasing.
So we have several opportunities for students who want to continue their education, several universities that we have relationships with that they can articulate into, complete their degree in gerontology in a shorter length of time.
What I love about my program is that every day is different. We always get to learn new things.